Hello, everyone. In the world of cybersecurity, some names carry a legacy of both fear and innovation. One such name is Citadel. If you've been following cyber threats for a while, you know Citadel as one of the most sophisticated financial weapons ever built. But as we move through 2026, the name has evolved into something much more defensive. Today, we're going deep into the dual nature of Citadel, from its origins as a devastating banking Trojan to its modern role in AI-driven defense. Let's break it down. To understand Citadel, we have to go back to 2011, when the source code for the infamous Zeus malware was leaked. A group of cybercriminals didn't just copy it, they perfected it. Citadel was revolutionary because it introduced the Malware-as-a-Service model. It wasn't just a virus, it was a professional product. The developers actually provided a bug tracking system and a community forum where hackers could vote on new features. Its primary weapon? The man-in-the-browser attack. Unlike simple phishing, Citadel sits inside your web browser. When you log into your bank, it injects fake HTML fields, called web-injects, right into the real page. You think you're giving your bank a security code, but you're actually handing the keys to your life savings directly to a hacker. What made Citadel truly terrifying were its specialized modules. Let's look at a few examples. Credential theft. It didn't just steal passwords from your browser. It targeted encrypted vaults like KeePass to unlock every account you own. Video capture. To bypass on-screen virtual keyboards that banks use to stop keyloggers, Citadel simply recorded a video of the user clicking the keys. The 2013 NBC incident. This is a classic example. Hackers compromised the official NBC.com website. Anyone who visited the site during that window was automatically infected. It showed that even safe websites could be used as a launchpad for Citadel. Now, let's flip the script. In 2026, Citadel is also being used by the good guys. Modern researchers have developed the Citadel Research Framework. This is a cutting-edge AI system that uses semi-supervised active learning. In simple terms, it helps security teams detect mobile malware that constantly changes its skin to avoid detection, a phenomenon we call concept drift. Additionally, firms like Thales have launched Citadel Team. This is a sovereign, end-to-end encrypted communication platform. It's designed to be a digital fortress for government agencies and corporations, protecting sensitive data from the very types of industrial espionage that the original Citadel malware was famous for. So, whether we're talking about a historic Trojan or a modern AI defense, the lesson of Citadel remains the same. Vigilance is mandatory. To protect yourself from modern descendants of Citadel, never trust unverified attachments, even from known contacts. Use hardware security keys for two-factor authentication, as they are much harder for Trojans to intercept than SMS codes. Keep your browser updated, as most man-in-the-browser attacks exploit unpatched vulnerabilities. If you found this deep dive helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more cybersecurity insights. Until next time, stay secure.